Hi, welcome to On the Road with Craig and Linda. Today we're at the Woodlawn Cemetery.
Please help us keep growing this channel by liking, subscribing, sharing, and following us on Instagram. On June 22nd, 1918, there was a horrific crash and fire. The Hagenbeck and Wallace circus train wreck, where 86 souls perished. It is said at night you can hear animals crying out at the cemetery. There's nothing sadder than the tears of a clown. Or maybe the sounds at night are the unknown males crying out for their identity. Fortunately, most people died on impact, but others were left to a fiery death. They were burned so bad, only 48 could be identified. Few are listed by name, most by what they did.
So this is the president, the guy who ran the show.
If the story isn't sad enough, the president of the circus died 8 days later. At all four corners, elephants guard the graves. Is that the animals you hear crying out at night? May all showmen rest in peace. For all the clowns out there, here's our happy dance.
Thanks for joining us today. And now we ask you to do three things. First thing we want you to do is give us a like. Secondly, hit that subscribe button. And thirdly, most importantly, share it with your friends. Join us on our next adventure.